Namaste, everyone. I am Purandar Babu Beduduri and I welcome you to the special celebration of the 11th International Yoga Day, observed globally on June 21st, 2025. This year theme Yoga for One Earth, One Health is not just a slogan, it's a vision of unity, a mission of wellness, and global call for harmony between humans and nature. Let's take a moment today not just to stretch our bodies but to expand our minds, heal our hearts, and respect our planet. What is yoga? History and meaning. Yoga is 5,000-year-old ancient Indian practice gifted to the world as a tool for union and transformation. The word yoga comes from the Sanskrit word yuj, which means to unite body, mind, and spirit. It's not only about asanas, postures, but also includes pranayama, breath control, dhyana, meditation, yamas, niyamas, ethical and personal discipline, sankalpa, intention setting. Yoga brings balance, awareness, and peace in ourselves, our relationships, and our environment. Why yoga? Past, present, and future of health. In the past, yoga was practiced by sages for spiritual growth and inner peace. It was part of daily life in Indian culture, from physical discipline to meditation in forests. Today's reality, modern life is full of stress, screen time, pollution, and lifestyle diseases like diabetes, PCOS, heart disease, anxiety, depression, insomnia, obesity, and fatigue. Physical strength. Yoga is a powerful natural remedy offering physical strength, improves posture, flexibility, core strength, mental clarity, reduces anxiety, improves focus. And emotional health. Holistic healing boosts immunity, regulates hormones, supports therapy. Examples of healing practices: Tadasana for posture and balance, Bhujangasana for spinal and balance. For spinal and wellness also, Kapalbhati for detox and diabetes, Dhyana Brahmari for calming the mind. For the future, yoga is not just a wellness trend, it's a lifestyle shift. It's a sustainable medicine, preventive care, and emotional intelligence. Let's not wait for illness to start practicing health. Yoga for body, mind, and soul. Categories and benefits. Body, physical yoga improves flexibility, balance, muscle tone, aids digestion, boosts stamina, helpful for seniors, children, athletes, and beginners. Poses: Surya Namaskar, Trikonasana, Balasana. Mind, mental, emotional yoga reduces stress, anxiety, overthinking, enhances memory and peace, breathing, meditation, Anulom, Vilom, Om, chanting, Dhyana. Soul, spiritual growth and peace, builds compassion, mindfulness, and gratitude. Practices bhakti yoga, devotion, Gnana Yoga, wisdom. Raja Yoga, control. Yoga for earth. Conscious living. This year's theme, one earth, one health, reminds us that human health is deeply tied to planetary health. A true yogi eats mindfully, reduces waste, respects nature, lives in harmony with all blessings. Yoga is eco-conscious living. Yoga teaches us that wellness is not personal, it is planetary. India's contribution. Yoga goes global. India, the birthplace of yoga, is proud to see the world embracing this ancient wisdom. In 2014, under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, the United Nations declared June 21st as International Yoga Day. Today, over 190 plus countries celebrate it with collective asanas, sessions, meditations, camps, and global harmony. India's timeless value of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, the whole world is one family, becomes real through yoga. Daily yoga in modern life. Practical tips. No need for fancy studios. You can fit into anyone's day, in any space. Morning, Surya Namaskar. Kapalbhati. Work breaks. Chair twist. Deep breathing. Evening, relaxing stretches plus dhyana. Women's health, hormonal balance, poses. Kids and teens. Focus, energy, and confidence. Seniors, chair yoga, gentle breathing. Just 15 minutes a day can change your life. One earth, one health, a mission for all. Yoga is a universal language of peace. Yoga for health of the body, yoga for harmony in society, yoga for sustainability of the earth. This movement is now ours to carry forward. Let's not just do yoga. Let's live yoga through actions, choices, and compassion. Conclusion: be the change. Let's pledge. Today, I will practice yoga. I will protect my health. I will protect the planet. One earth, one health. It starts with me. Thank you for being part of this journey. Stay fit, stay mindful, stay connected to yourself, to others, and to Mother Earth. Like, share, subscribe. Let's take this message to the world. Happy International Yoga Day! Namaste from me, Purandar Babu, Beduduri.